Hello guys, this is boy Bink. I'm back for another video. Today I walk you through how to disable or stop Windows Update. The step is very easy. You go to in the short field and type run, click on it and type the following code. GBEDET/MSC. Click on it and let's make that bigger. Click on under administrator template and you have error here. Click on it. I click on Windows component. From Windows component you look for Windows Update. Scroll down until you see Windows Update. Windows Update, click on it. You will see here, let's make that bigger. You will see here configuration, configure automatic update. Click on it, double click on it. You see no configure. You need to disable that and click apply and click OK. This video for today hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.